Have you been searching for the perfect truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Reserve in silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 945 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number 47501A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.